Okuva dda eno Omoro County wano abantu balondaga opposition naye lwakuba babalinga babba obululu w'abantu b'Omoro County naye bw'olaba ebintu ensonga eziri Omoro, ensonga z'amadwaliro, ensonga z'oluguudo, ensonga z'amasomero, okirabirayo ddala nti abantu b'Omoro tewali ensonga ekibalondesa gavumenti oba NRM kubanga kiyise obudde bungi akadde bungi ngammwe.
Actually, for almost 15 years, Omoro district had a member of parliament who are NRM, and he served even as the speaker of parliament. And even we have the woman MP for Omoro, he's also a member of parliament who is on an NRM ticket. We have almost even local leaders who are elected on an NRM ticket. But when you come to Omoro district, you will realize that we have a very poor road network. Even bridges, culverts, they are destroyed. Sometimes even the district engineer put the culvert like the ham. People could not even ride on the road safely. Even when you go to hospital, we don't have the Omoro district hospital. We have only health center 4. And when you go down there, you will find never, you don't see any ambulance to help the patients and the pregnant women who are going forward for delivery. And sometimes even the women, they get birth. They give birth at the roadside because of the poor road network. But the border cannot carry a mother a long distance to go and deliver. And even some health centers, you go there, you find that the health workers, they're not even at the station. So that is the problem, to indicate that being a member of the NRM will not.
Right, 1, 2.